In this video, I will explain to you a fundamental understanding of on-site SEO for e-commerce in 2022. It will be plenty to get you started, ensure that you are sending Google the correct signals, and ready you for SEO success. Consumers from all around the world have joined e-commerce. According to a Statista report in 2021, 2.14 billion people made purchases from e-commerce websites, resulting in sales of $4.9 trillion USD worldwide, and it is expected that these figures would rise to almost $7.4 trillion in 2025. It is important to remember that 75% of e-commerce buyers do product research on Google before making a purchase. This means that SEO is a necessity for e-commerce. On-page SEO is a crucial first step if you want to increase traffic and revenues to your e-commerce website. There are plenty of tutorials and how-to articles online that offer general SEO guidance, but there are much fewer that focus directly on the needs of e-commerce business owners. Let's get started. If you want to stay updated on future content, make sure to subscribe to this channel. E-commerce SEO. First of all, I will define what is e-commerce SEO. It is the process of increasing the visibility of your online store on search engine results pages. To increase traffic, you want to appear as high in the search results as you can for the products you sell. SEO for e-commerce involves optimizing your headings, metadata, product descriptions, navigation, and internal link structure for better search and user experience, specifically created to attract visitors from search engines for each product you sell. However, you should not ignore your website's static, non-product-oriented pages, like the About Us page, the home page, your blog articles, the FAQ page, and the contact page. Make a list of relevant keywords for these pages in addition to the main keywords. Tools like Uber suggest make it simple to search for a single long-tail keyword and get semantic keywords that match it. Why SEO is important for e-commerce. What do we do when we require a product or service? Many people use Google to search. They are looking for options, advice, comparisons, and other details to assist in their decision-making. E-commerce SEO offers you a means to reach your target audience without spending money on advertisements. Once you get visitors to your website, you can attract them with your excellent products. Let's have a look at some of the top SEO techniques for e-commerce sites. You need an e-commerce SEO strategy if you want customers to be able to find your products more easily, and as you check each item off your list, your approach will become more effective. 1. Use the right keywords. Yes, keywords are very important. Although you don't want to overuse these keywords in your product titles and descriptions, they must be in the content. You should include your main keyword in the heading, body text, meta description, alternate attributes, and subheadlines for your product. Latent semantic index, also called DEL-SI keywords, should be frequently used. These are associated keywords that assist Google in contextually understanding your page. Analyze the user intent, CPC, and keyword search volume. Do some research on a keyword before using it. Find out the keyword search volume, the cost per click CPC, the level of competition in paid advertising, and the intention of the visitors. Let's explore it in more detail. The number of searches for a certain keyword indicates the level of customer interest it has generated. You'll see more frequent searches for a keyword if it has a high search volume, which reflects its greater popularity. The cost per click CPC reveals how much money consumers spend each time they click an ad based on a particular search. Increased competitiveness is indicated by a high CPC. If your goal keyword is very competitive, think about looking for a long-tail alternative. Finally, user intent specifies what users are trying to locate when they enter a certain keyword into Google's search bar. 2. Do competitor research. Your competition is your best option if you have no idea where to start with on-site optimization for your e-commerce website. Larger competitors have certainly already invested time and effort in optimizing their websites, and you can find out a lot about their strategies directly from their own websites. How can you identify whether a website is optimized for a specific keyword? You can use the Moz browser extension to see the SEO title and description that your competitors are using in their title tags, to find out which keywords your competitors are showing up for in paid and organic search results. You may also use tools like SEMrush. 3. Focus on homepage SEO. Most companies usually concentrate their SEO efforts on their homepage. Although it is one of the most important pages of your website, it's not the only one you should optimize. The main components you should focus on are: 1. Homepage title tag. One of the most crucial components of on-site search optimization is the SEO title tag. Along with the primary keyword phrase you are aiming for, it should also include the name of your company. Since searchers will see this title tag as it appears in search results, you should keep it to less than 70 characters and make it engaging to them. 2. Homepage meta description. The meta description for your homepage is a 160-character summary of your company that will also appear in search results below the title tag, although it is not crucial in terms of keyword rankings. It should be written in a way that makes readers want to visit your website. 3. Homepage content. Your homepage's content should provide visitors with clear and simple information about your company and the products you sell. Don't provide too much information to visitors. Messy homepages can be confusing to both users and search engines. 4. Simplify your site layout. Keep in mind that website layout is crucial for search optimization as you continue to add products and categories to your store. You should have a clear hierarchy of navigation, starting with your homepage and working your way down to the product categories and the items contained within them. A good internal linking structure can help search engine bots find your website's pages and products. The general rule for both visitors and search engines is to make everything accessible in no more than 3 clicks. They should only need to click 3 times from the homepage to any product on your website. Internal linking. Internal links have 2 primary functions. The first function is to increasing e-commerce SEO by displaying how pages are connected to one another. The second function is to increase time spent on your website by encouraging people to explore it further. Improving e-commerce SEO and making your website more attractive can be done by linking to relevant products or blog posts with lots of useful information. 5. Optimize product pages. A lot of e-commerce site owners just post an image or a video with a few lines of text about each product. You should put a lot of effort into optimizing your product pages because they are the backbone of your business. To make your product pages more searchable by Google, you need to add additional details. So, I will tell you the specific things you should work on. Product name. Your product name is important. It is frequently used in the SEO title and URL of your product page as well. Due to this, you might want to think about using a popular search term or keyword phrase in your product descriptions. For instance, if you are selling bags, make sure the product name contains the words bags. The keyword will then appear in both the SEO title and URL. Image optimization. Images are an important element of any product page. Images are crucial for search engine optimization as well as for your clients. Start with the file name to correctly optimize your photographs for search. Do not include image 0010.13 photos on your product pages. Use the name of the item and the primary keyword instead, like leather bags, JAG. Moreover, when you add images to your product page, make sure to include the product keyword and name in the image alt text. Your images now have a chance of appearing in Google image search. Video. Adding video to your product page to give your customers more assurance regarding their purchases. The video could contain introductory material about your product, a how-to guide on how to use the product, or customer reviews. An excellent method to draw in and inform potential buyers about your items is by posting videos of your website on platforms like YouTube. 6. Use responsive design. Nowadays, a lot of people do shopping on their mobile devices. Your e-commerce website's responsive design can result in higher search results in addition to a better user experience. 7. Reduced page load times. Page load time is also a ranking factor for both desktop and mobile. Google will give you a higher ranking the quicker your pages load. Customers are less likely to make a purchase from you if your e-commerce site takes longer to load. You run the risk of seeing a 32% increase in your bounce rate if your page load time goes from 1 to 3 seconds. 8. Create backlinks for e-commerce SEO. Backlinks are another ranking factor Google considers when deciding where to place your pages in the SERPs. Your site becomes more authoritative the more backlinks it receives from top-notch websites. So, these are some important tips that will help your e-commerce site rank higher in the search engines. I hope you will implement these tips to grow your online business. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to stay updated on future content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the subscribe button below.